Rapid product creation. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create these simple in-demand little free reports. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do is, I hope you've already decided on a niche. So if not, you're going to want to decide on a niche. And once you've found the niche that you want to be in, what you want to do is you want to do a little bit of research to find out what the problems people are having in that niche, or find out the things that they want the most. Okay, so I was going to go into the lose weight niche. I want to lose a little bit of weight, and I'd like to find out more about this niche, and I'd also like to create a little report in this niche. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to find out, what people are looking for inside of this niche. And really the easiest way to do this is we just go to Google, and I typed in my niche here, which is the lose weight or weight loss niche. So I typed in lose weight into the search engine, and down at the bottom, what Google does is they gives us searches that are related to lose weight. So what I can do is I can take a look here, and I can see that right off the bat, when people type in lose weight, what they're looking for, or a lot of people that type in lose weight are looking for, they're looking for ways to lose weight quickly, it looks like. You can see this one, lose weight in a week, crash diet, generally indicative of losing weight quickly, uh, lose weight fast. So Google is a great place to get ideas of what people are looking for, and we can go ahead and we can look around and look at all of these things. What are people looking for? And we can do that right at Google. Also, Google has a really neat feature. If we just type in, you can see up at the top, it gives us what people are searching for. So when someone types in lose weight, there's a good chance that they're looking to either lose weight fast or lose weight quickly, or they're looking for a lose weight diet. And we see this because Google goes and they sort this based on popularity. So you can see right off the bat, Google is a great place to find out what people are looking for, what people want inside of this niche. Another good place to go and get this information is we can go over to a site called Yahoo Answers. It's just available at answers.yahoo.com. And once again, we type in lose weight at Yahoo Answers, and it brings up what Yahoo Answers is. It's a question and answer site. So when someone has a question about something, they can go right to Yahoo Answers, type in their question, and people go ahead and they respond back to you. Experts in the field and regular everyday people will go back and respond to people. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and make a note of the most common problems or wants of the people inside of this niche. Okay. And it's not that hard. Just go ahead, do a little bit of research from those two places that I just showed you, and you're really going to find out everything you need to know about what people are looking for inside of that niche. And then what you're going to have to do, and this is easy as well, you're going to go ahead and find the solutions to these problems by doing a little bit of simple research. And once again, we're going to go right back to these places, both Google and Yahoo Answers, for the answers to these questions. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to go into the lose weight fast, lose weight quickly. So I'm going to put together a quick report on 5 tips onto losing weight fast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go through here. Okay, I'm going to go through Yahoo Answers, and I'm going to go through Google, and I'm going to find out what are ways that I can lose weight fast. Okay, what are ways that I can lose weight quickly? What are ways that you can do whatever it is inside of your niche that you decided were these problems that you want to go ahead and fix? And it really is easy. I mean, the answers are right here. Okay, like for losing weight fast, I can check this out. Okay, and there's all kinds of things that people say what we can do. I know that in just a little bit of research that I've done in the past 5 minutes, I know that we can drink lots of water during the day. We can do a little bit of cardio, but I'm going to do the research to get that information. And it's as easy, like I said, just go right in here to Google, go in here to Yahoo Answers. Another great place, you can go to eZine articles. Like if we go to eZine articles, they're available at ezinearticles.com. And what eZine articles is it's a place where people go and they submit their articles on all kinds of different topics. There's experts in here, lots of great articles and lots of great information to be had. So I'm going to just type in here at eZine articles, lose weight fast. Okay. I'm going to do a search. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some answers. And I'm not going to copy people's work, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to spend a little bit of time researching. Like I might spend 10 to 15 minutes researching this. I'm not going to do that much time. But like I said, I'm going to compile all this out. Okay. I'm going to compile all this information into a little 3 to 10 page report. Okay, you can put this together really easily. Like I said, you're not copying people's work. You're not copying their work at all. What you're doing is you're going to go research the topic, and how you're going to do that, like I said, at Google, at Yahoo, find the answers, go ahead and then compile that into a really simple little 3 to 10 page report. You can easily do this yourself, really. Like I said, we're going to spend about 15 minutes on the research, on getting what it is that we're going to do this report about, and then we'll spend about another 15 minutes to a half hour just writing out this little report. That's how long it takes me. Probably the first time you do it, it's going to take you a little bit longer, but these are simple little reports or little articles even. Like we're going to do one article on each of these different topics that we're having. And it's something you can have outsourced really inexpensively. You can go right now to iWriter. It's a website that's available at iWriter.com. You can get articles written for as low as $1.25 each. So what you could do is you could put together your list of, say, 5 tips on how to lose weight, or 5 tips on how to grow a better mustache, or 5 tips on how to lose belly fat. You're going to get each of those topics and then have an article created on each of those topics, and then you can go ahead, compile that into a very simple little report. It doesn't need to be major. It doesn't need to be, the best work in the world. It just needs to give solid, good information. And once you've compiled this report, the important part, more important than the information that's inside of it, and this really is the truth, is you need to give it a catchy name, something that is going to perk people's interest in it. Okay? Something like, top 5 ways to lose weight quickly, 5 tips to lose weight fast, 3 secrets to rapid weight loss, secret of how I lost weight quickly, something that is going to entice people to go ahead and read. And to get a good idea of titles is go ahead and browse some magazines, especially women's magazines like Glamour and Cosmo. Check out some of their headlines that are on their cover, things that make people look inside the magazine, and you'll see that they catch your eye and they're going to, promise you 3 tips. Things like that. Just something simple. Everyone loves a secret. Everyone loves a tip. So when you do things like this, when you name your report something along the lines of the 3 secrets to, more traffic than you ever thought possible, or 3 secrets to getting website visitors, something like that. When you name your product like that, people are intrigued by it. And your report, it doesn't have to be fancy at all. Like I said, it just needs to give solid, good information on the chosen topic. And so long as you do that, so long as you first start out by choosing that profitable niche, then once you're in the niche, find out what it is that people are looking for solutions to. Go ahead, deliver those solutions to them in this simple little report. And as long as you do that, you're going to have a very good, free front-end product. And it doesn't have to take you that long. You should be able to do this in about an hour especially once you get the hang of it. It's not that difficult.